Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 6th Subject English.
Good morning students, welcome to 6th standard English class. In last class what we have seen, chapter 4, the use of some adverbs, isn't it? Now we are going to see book exercise. Test yourself. Take page number 18, take a pencil, read rightly, okay? See, first one, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Have you seen him? Have you seen him dash ago or before? The answer is before. The answer is before. Pencil taken, write. He dashed betrayed his parents. Not or never. The right answer is never. Right answer is never. Priya is feeling dash better now. Much better now. Right answer is much. Fourth one, he dash neglected his studies. Not or never. Never. Right answer is never. Fifth one, you spoke loud dash to be heard. Enough to be heard. Right answer is enough. Sixth one, my grandfather died 3 years since or ago. Answer is ago. Seventh one, the water in this tank is dash dirty. Very dirty. Eighth one, she wants some rest as she is dash tired. A little tired. Answer is a little. Ninth one, Namya waited for me dash impatiently. Very or much. Answer is very. Tenth one, Mr. Rambal seldom or dash comes late. Answer is never comes late. Never. Check your answer. First one before, second one never, third one much, fourth one never, fifth one enough, sixth one ago, seventh one very, eighth one a little, ninth one very, tenth one never. 11th one, the soldier was dash into to survive. To. Answer is to. T-O-O. 12th one, his father is dash respected by the people. Much respected. 13th one, I shall be dash pleased to dine with you. Answer is much. 14th one, the old man was dash weak to stand. Two. T-O-O 2. 15th one, he is dash clever to be trusted. Answer is 2. 16th one, I am strong dash to bear this burden. Enough. Answer is enough. 17th one, I solved the sum. It was not dash hard for me. 2. Answer is 2. 18th one, I shall be dash obliged if you grant me leave. Much grant me leave. 18th one, answer is much. 19th one, I am not dash interested is reading books. 19th one also much. Answer is much. 20th one, it is dash late but not late to catch the train. First one answer very. In second dash you have to write 2. Very and 2. Next take page number 19. Second Roman letter. Correct the following sentences. Correct the following sentences. Here in these sentences have mistakes. You have to change the correct sentence. Okay. First one. The movie Bahubali is very interesting. The movie Bahubali is very interesting. First one, the movie Bahubali is very interesting. In the sentence you have to write the answer much. First sentence, the movie Bahubali is much interesting. You cut the word much, then you write very. Okay, next, we are fairly late, let us hurry. You cut the word fairly and then you write rather. Don't want to write full sentence, you have to change the error word only. Okay, third one, it is too hot. It is too hot to go outside. You cut the word very and then you write, you cut the word too and then you cut the word very and then you have to write too. It is too hot to go outside. Fourth one, sugar is too sweet. Sugar is very sweet. Fifth one, you walked much slowly. You walked rather slowly. You walked rather slowly. She is feeling very better today. She is feeling much better today. Seventh one, Anil is speaking rather clear. Anil is speaking fairly clear. Eighth one, I have never met this man ago. Answer, I have never met this man before. Ninth one, it is nothing else than enmity. It is nothing else but enmity. Tenth one, no, he did not tell a lie. No, he did not. No, he did not tell a lie. 11th one, no, she does her duty sincerely. No, she does her duty sincerely. You cut the word no, write the word yes. Yes, she does her duty sincerely. 12th one, she was too pleased to see her parents. She was very. You cut the word too and write very. Pleased to see her parents. 13th one, she is rather innocent. Don't rebuke her. She is quite innocent. Don't rebuke her. 14th one, this news is much annoying. Answer is, this news is very annoying. 15th one, he did rather well in the examination. He did fairly well in the examination. 16th one, you are looking fairly ugly in this dress. You are looking rather ugly in this dress. 17th one, Raman comes back home much late now. Raman comes back home very late now. 18th one, my grandma is weak enough to walk. My grandma is too weak to walk. You cut the word enough and write the word to, T-O-O. 19th one, his uncle is too rich to buy a bungalow. His uncle is rich enough to buy a bungalow. You cut the word to and write enough, E-N-O-U-G-H. 20th one, little knowledge is a dangerous thing. A little knowledge is a dangerous thing. Write neatly. Next class we will see the next chapter. Thank you, student.